Kayaking Archer here. There's a kayak on my car. So I think we should go kayaking. And of course there's a train coming. Alright. Later. Wow, can I just say the water's high? Can't hardly see the ramp. It's so high. Anyways, should be a nice little paddle introductory one for the season. One of my favorite little lakes. So, yeah, I'll give you an update when I get out. Well, yes, I am, in fact, kayaking. And I just have to say, finding yourself in the middle of a frothy little lake, yeah, that's not the time to discover that your arms are sore from archery and conditioning the day before. Oh well. Beautiful day. At least I'm at the south end of the lake now. Woo! Well, I somehow managed to get out. Not necessarily a lot of dignity. I had to bring the boat alongside the shoreline there because it was just too choppy. Yeah, when I pointed it up onto the shoreline, it just made it too wobbly. So, anyways, but absolutely spectacular. Turtles, turtles, turtles everywhere. So much fun. So, anyways. Peace out.